Hello everyone, I'm John and this is Just the Gearhead. And today we're going to be doing a little windshield repair. We're going to try out one of these little Permetex, I guess, windshield repair kits. It's for little rock chips and that. I've recently got the windshield replaced on the Chrysler 200, and within 4 hours of getting it replaced, I got a rock chip. And so we're going to see how easy one of these are to use and how good they are, because I don't want it to spread and crack the windshield. So anyways, we'll go do that. Today is a nice sunny day for once. Probably one of the few we've had so far. It's actually warm enough that I can be out here with just a semi-long sleeve shirt. Don't have to wear a coat. But anyways, right there, you can't quite see that on the camera, is the rock chip. So that's what we're going to be repairing. And like I said, this is a Permetex windshield repair. It's just a little syringe style one. So we'll open this up and see what we have to do. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see okay from there, and hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise. Let's see here. So inside here we get syringe, a little tube of resin, that's probably the mount, and not sure what that's for. It's a little clear piece of plastic, and it's sticky, which probably sticks to the windshield, and some instructions. So let's take a quick look at the instructions. Yes, I occasionally read instructions. So step one is to see if there's any loose glass or anything in the hole that it made. I don't see any. Let's take a point of my knife. It says to use a pin, but I'll just use my pocket knife. Yeah, there's a tiny little bit in there. Don't break off anything that's kind of loose. Not very thick. Alright. Then it says peel the white side of this. There's a little circle, I'd probably push that out of the way. Peel the white side and basically try to center it over the hole. Secure it down. Okay. Then we peel the green side off. And here, the base. Gotta get it centered on there. There we go, that's good. Let's squish that down. Okay. Now, just to make sure I'm doing this right. Then take the resin off the little top off of it. There. And they say put about 3/4 resin into there. Yeah, kind of hard to tell. Can't really see through that thing. But there, we got a bunch of resin in there. Now, okay. Then we're supposed to take this syringe and put it in there. So, then make sure plunger is pushed all the way down. Insert still, yeah. And this seems a little odd. Holding the syringe barrel, pull up on the syringe. Kind of odd, but okay. And then turn it so it stays locked. Okay. Seems like an odd procedure here. Wait for 10 minutes while it does like that. So while we're waiting, I want to reread this. Alright. Guess we gotta wait 10 minutes. Now, while I'm waiting, I'll go clean my garage or something. Alright, so that's been about 10 minutes. Now it says to remove this syringe from the pedestal to let air into it, and then to push the plunger back down. Okay, so out, in, and then push it back down. There's no way to lock that. Unless they mean to lock it on that second one. More vacuuming than that. It doesn't want to. Alright. I guess I was supposed to lock it into the upper notch, but let's pull it back all the way up, push it back down a little bit, and then just leave it like that. Oh, that didn't work. The spring clip thing doesn't seem to work so well. Let's try. Alright, guess we'll leave it like that for 20 minutes. Now we'll leave it like that. Okay. So it's been about 20 minutes. Now it says to remove the syringe from the pedestal. And to remove the base and the sticky. Oh, there's a little tab here. Pull that. Oops. Got some extra resin. Then to get that on my car. This off. It says to wipe away excess resin and then take put a tiny little dot of resin right where you can still kind of see this chip, so a little dot there, and then put this little piece of plastic over top of it. It doesn't really want to stay there. Let's try this again. So take this. That'll do. And then yeah. Now it says to leave that for 30 minutes on a sunny day, or for up to an hour on a cloudy day, because I guess the resin is UV hardening. Alright, so we'll leave that for 30 minutes to an hour, and then we'll come back and peel that little piece of plastic off and see what it looks like. Alright, so it's been just over a half hour actually, because it's pretty sunny out. So I think it should be dry. It says just to pull this plastic thing off. The surface isn't going to be perfectly flat, but if there's any excess, to just give it a little hit with a razor blade and gently remove the excess. Take a cloth, the area a little rub, Kind of see there's just a little bit of a flattened area right there. Let me see if I can get it there. Alright, yeah, somewhere right there. It's a little flat spot. So it's not perfect. You can still kind of see a tiny bit of a halo, but the product does say it won't make it go away completely. This is mostly just so that it keep it from spreading and cracking later. So if it does spread or crack, I'll let you guys know. Alright, so I guess that'll be it for this episode of Just the Gearhead. Just a little video on fixing a rock chip in your windshield. Hopefully it's helpful. Yeah, so if you guys like, please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'd greatly appreciate it. For all you guys who have subscribed in the past, thank you very much. I got merchandise, so if you go to the description, there's a link to my Redbubble page, so you can get t-shirts, cups, stickers, all that stuff, and anything, any proceeds, any of the money from those sales will go into the projects, mostly probably the Buick. It eats up a lot of money. So anyways, yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you next time.